So remember, exponents are when I have a number that's repeating over and over and over again, I can write it using an exponent. Because exponents mean repeated multiplication. Okay? So I have a number that's repeating here. What number is repeating? 2. Okay? So remember, that number is my base. How many times is it repeating? 3. That number represents my exponent. Okay? And then I just write down whatever extra I have. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is the same thing as 2 to the third power times 3. Okay? And you're going to need to write it both ways. So you write it out as multiplication and you write it with your exponents. Okay? Alright. Let's look at the next one. Is the next one on your paper 50?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, on your paper. Alright. What two numbers can I multiply together to get 50?
5 times 10.
5 times 10. Okay, these are called factor trees. Now I look, do I have any prime numbers in that row?
No. Yes.
Yes, 5 is a prime number. So you want to circle it, because that's the end of that branch. I suggest write them in least to greatest, because that's the way you're going to have to write them anyways. Okay, what two numbers can I multiply together to get 10?
5.
Okay, and now I'm back to all prime numbers. Now I have to write them in order from least to greatest. So what comes first? 2 times 5 times 5. Okay? And then I have to write it with exponents. Because my 5 repeats, I can write this as 2 times 5. How many 5s are there? 2. 2 times 5 to the second power. You have a question? So that she can concentrate, and you can concentrate on what I'm doing. Yes, ma'am.
Can you do 5 to, like that, like the other way?
What other way?
Like 5 to the second power times 2.
Nope, it's got to be least to greatest. Start with the smallest and then get to the largest. Yes.
Do you have to multiply that?
Yes. What do you mean, like get the answer?
Like 2 times the 5 power.
This is my answer.
Oh.
I don't actually solve it, because if I solve it, I should get back up to 50, and I'm trying to break 50 down.
Oh.
Yes.
What if you have a prime number?
Okay, so the next one on your paper is 17. 17 is a what?
Prime.
So I just write it as
7.
17. Okay, because we don't use 1 in prime factorizations. Because 1 is not a prime number. 1 is one of those goofy numbers. Okay, so we don't use 1. Let's try one more. 90. What two numbers can I multiply together to get 90? What?
9 times 10.
9 times 10. Okay? Are 9 and 10 prime numbers?
No.
No, so I have to keep going. 9 breaks down into 3 times 3. 10 breaks down into 2 times 5. Which numbers are these prime numbers? Yes. Those are all prime numbers. Which one comes first? 2. Then what do I need to write?
5.
Times 3 times 3 times 5. Do I have a number that repeats itself? Then I need to write that using exponents. So 2 is going to stay the same, But since 3 repeats itself, I go 3 to the second power times 5. Okay? Try the next two on your own.